What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making a little showcase on a project that we've been working on. The project is based on SMITE, that is a third-person shooter game. You're going to basically adapt it, obviously changing some stuff, but we're going to make it on the first-person perspective. Basically creating a first-person shooter. So the first thing that I've done over here that I want to showcase is the menus. So this might be identical to some stuff on the channel because it's how I do things, but I have the options over here. It's very simple right now. You can change the screen resolution, full screen, and the quality scale if your computer struggles, with performance. I also have a player name. Because the game is multiplayer, this player name is going to be what other players will see your name as in game. And to connect players between servers and clients, over here the server browser, you can see that we have the host IP. So we basically connect to hosts through their IP. So basically they just have to search up whatever is their public IP. You can just search that on Google, and then you need to have opened your ports on your internet to 7777. That's the ports for Unreal Engine, because otherwise this won't work, because the connection won't be enabled by your internet. So both the hosts and clients have to do this. It's a little bit of a setback, but it's just normally used for training. Like for debugging. So you just put over here your host IP and you click join, and you're gonna go over to connect to the server. Hosting is really simple. Just click on host. If you have an internet connection, it will host. This is the lobby menu. Right now it's very simplistic as well. You just have your name, your ping, and then whatever is your status. I'm the host, so it's gonna appear host for clients. This is gonna be ready or not ready, and you're gonna be able to switch over here if you're ready or not if you're a client. And the host won't be able to start the game if everyone is not ready. This is basically to play with friends, so that's ideal. And then later on I'm going to work on adding over here so the host can change game modes and maps over here on the right side. And over here you can basically do that. You can exit back to the main menu, or you can start the game. So I'm going to go ahead and start. The map that I have over here is actually from the game SMITE. So it's it's not well optimized yet for gaming at all, but I've been making some adjustments to its lighting and stuff to make it actually playable, and right now it's actually ready for a game. The performance might be a bit bad, but that can be adjusted, creating LODs for all of this. This doesn't have LODs, stuff like that. So just to quickly show you around, and I'm using Unreal Engine 4 with VXGI from NVIDIA. That's voxel global illumination for dynamic lighting. Over here you can really see well, because you don't really have light sources over here. But let me just go inside over here of this temple. Now you can start see the reflections on the ground that come from over there. Oh, sorry about that, that's fucking your right. But you can see the reflections on the ground from those lights, and you can actually see them on your gun, which is pretty cool. The graphics are really good. This is a character from SMITE. And yeah, this is all ready to actually start coding game mechanics for characters and such. Again, ignoring the performance issues. You can explore the entire map already. I have disabled all the lights. It had a lot of point lights over in the level that I took out that was eating performance up, really. Now we can, I have a maxed out. I'm playing on a laptop, and I have 60 frames per second, so that's cool. You can also see this place is fucking awesome. And you can see the reflections, the individual reflections on the ground over here on the gun, which is pretty amazing. This is all due to VXGI from NVIDIA, so shout out to them. You can't get this from the Epic Games Launcher. You're gonna have to go into the GitHub to actually make a build of this source of the engine with VXGI. You cannot add it as a plugin because it changes too much raw stuff on the engine lighting system. So yeah, that's it, what I wanted to show. Now I'm gonna wait for feedback and see what I need to continue doing. What I'm thinking that I'm gonna do first is add the game modes and map selections from the lobby menu, and then I'm gonna start working on characters, make them move, and then start making basic attacks and stuff like that, and work on abilities. It's a fun project. I accepted it because it looks fun to me, and I'm actually gonna learn a lot by making it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you all in the next one. Bye bye.